God, my back. There was a massive storm, and I got knocked out. Land! Totally didn't see that before. I was not pretending or anything.
So I live my life. I live my life. I live my life on you.
What's in this chest? Oh God. Oh hey, that's a pretty cool pond. Oh, looks like I should do what every simpleton does in Minecraft. Find some wood.
I'm sorry, did you just say simpleton?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Civilization? Waves crashing! Waves crashing! Waves crashing! Hello? Waves! Waves crashing! Waves crashing! Hello?
Waves.
Escape!
Waves.
Escape quickly before the master comes! Before the master! What master? He beats us! Run! Who? Him. Is there civilization?
Waves. Waves.
Can we, like, get on with this? Okay, let's just start making houses. Okay, it's nighttime. We're all screwed. Yeah. So.
Waves.
I found a cow. I'm gonna kill it. Well, hello.
Guys.
Don't you get out here. Well, hello guys. Welcome to the One Song Wonders survival series. We're called Castaway. Welcome to the Castaway survival series. Where'd you go, Liam?
I don't know, where'd you guys scatter off to?
We're scattered like rats. Just find the house. Find the house. Just quickly get to the cage.
I heard like an explosion.
That was the first creeper explosion in the series. Where are you guys? I'm waiting at the hut.
Which hut?
Quickly, get to the hut! Get to the hut!
Avoidance.
Yeah.
Me? Wait,
Yes,
can you hear me?
finally, now, yes.
What?
Are you back, Liam?
Okay. Yes. Yes, I am.
I have hit rock! I've hit bedrock. Or not bedrock, sorry. Stop exploding! Oh my god! It's not like I'm doing it. We only have so much land we can hold. I think we should live there.
These islands aren't big enough for
Someone
the
should
three of
seriously
us.
go get food because I have three meat thingies, meat chops, meat drumsticks. Meat drumsticks.
Drumstick.
Alright.
That's a
Oh
spider.
crap. Get out of here, you slimy bugger. Also, I found our house, guys. Come here. Oh! We should live like the Shire! We should recreate Bilbo Baggins' house. Yes! Alright, I'm going mining. Oh, here's some cobblestone. Here's some cobblestone. There. Take them.
Oh.
Was slain by a zombie.
Lokryger was slain by a shamble.
Uh-oh, retard alert.
Uh-oh! Retard alert!
Waves.
Uh-oh!
Waves.
Waves crashing.
What is that from?
Waves crashing.
What is that from?
Well, my original plan was when you got off the boat, I was gonna do a wave sound effect.
No, you should have been like, oh, we should make an audio thing where
We should make an audio
yeah,
video. We should
soothing,
make one whole audio.
soothing sounds by Parker Winter. Waves crashing. Waves crashing.
No.
Raining. Chirping noises.
That's the sound of rain.
Iron!
Chirp.
We've hit iron!
It's mine.
It's mine! All mine!
Oh my goodness, there's so
Chirp.
much. There's enough for all of us.
Yay!
There's 8, 9, 10.
Oh, whoa, what the heck is this? Wait, I thought this was dirt.
And there's more! There's so much iron!
Dude, what is this?
12, 13.
Wait,
pieces of
there's
iron,
granite?
14.
There's granite now!
You didn't know that?
Dude, you can cook granite!
Look at this noob.
Get all this granite! We can make it as floor, we can cook
Look
it!
at this noob. There should be granite slabs and you can make a granite counter.
Yeah, that should be. So guys, what's our goal since we know end?
The goal is to do /feed.
Yeah.
Find more iron!
Oh, I found a cave. Wow, this is really going fast.
I can see it.
Whoa! Creepy music just played.
The Ender Dragon just comes out of nowhere. We kill it.
Oh,
Game
we
over.
spawned an Ender Dragon.
No, we're not spawning an Ender Dragon.
When we think we're ready. Oh, we should.
I found coal.
I found a cave! Crap! Help me! Ah!
Shut up!
Come
Stop
save
being a little whiny baby. I found coal.
Someone come save me.
Chaps.
Come save me. I
Did not
cheated.
Teleport.
I cheated. Oh crap.
He friggin' fed himself, Liam.
I'm eating. No, I'm eating. I'm
Hacks.
not hacking. I'm eating.
He's legitimately eating. Not cheating at all.
Hacker. There's zombies hacking over here. He gave me one raw meat when he was supposed to give me 2. Do you have enough for a furnace?
What do you want? Enough cobblestone?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's plenty. Alright, I'm coming back.
I can show. What's this? Oh, more granite. Wait, is it? Deerite? I don't even know what deerite is. Do you guys know what deerite is? Jeez, what's just all this granite? My goodness.
I'm going back up to smelt. Oh, more iron. I have 21 iron, dogs.
Oh, I found lava! Wait, what am I at?
Good job.
Oh,
Alright, let's just set up a little fort in here, Liam.
I don't have any weapons.
I can make some.
I'm 31 blocks down underneath, so there's no
I
diamonds.
think I'm gonna respawn once I get this furnace cooking.
So weird. I hate this. I feel like there's a zombie just like heavily rubbing his cheeks down my back right now.
I'm like fiddling through my inventory really self-consciously because people are gonna judge.
Oh my gosh.
do it.
Guys, I made a shocking discovery.
What?
The litter box smells like cat poop.
We're recording.
We're recording, Chandler.
Oh, I bear. It's for me, but you can.
She bears good. She brings good willing. Whoa, plants
I
can
bear
grow
gifts.
underground now?
What is that?
What
You
the?
have my adventure map?
Wait, what is that? What is it?
What is this?
Oh,
It's a
that's-
giant zombie!
Right, Steve.
Liam!
Despawn that right now!
It's Liam. I was gonna say Steve's ass.
Oh, it's day, guys.
Wait.
You spawned a giant zombie! Why did you do that?
Is his head sticking out?
Yeah.
Is his head
Oh,
sticking
it's
out?
It's our Titan.
Aw.
Parker loves
Let's
you.
call him Ryan.
Poor
It's
guy.
our very own Titan.
Leave him Ryan.
Okay, let's keep him.
Let's call him Aaron.
Aaron.
Let's call him Aaron's mom.
Titans don't
He's
work
dead.
like zombies, Parker.
Wait, is he actually dead?
He's dead.
Aaron, no!
See, that's funny to me because I said let's name him Aaron's mom,
Maybe she's dead.
and then Liam just right after that he's dead.
She's dead.
Bummer.
What was Aaron's mom's name? Why did you just die,
He
Parker?
didn't have a name.
So I could refill my.
Mothers don't have names, Hunter.
Mothers don't have names, duh.
Her main purpose in life was to be Aaron's mom. And their dad was a piece of crap.
Their dad held him down. And
They had a basement.
movies.
You give him Titan medicine.
Give him a bed to
What's in
sleep
the
in
basement?
and a roofie to live under.
I am making us iron pickaxes.
Go! Woo! Gotta get some of that sneezed up.
Gotta get some of that sneezed up.
Don't judge me, I'm Canadian.
Achievement unlocked. Don't judge me, I'm Canadian.
Okay, once I make all of our iron twos, we should just start building a house because.
We're getting shoes? I want some
Sick
shoes.
twos.
Aw.
Shiver. Okay. Now Liam and I get axes and
We're all
Hunter gets
naked.
nothing.
We need to get some clothes on.
Hunter,
No,
Liam,
we
take-
don't.
come out here, Liam. I'm giving you your stuff. Hunter, you have these. Okay. Liam, you have this.
Where's my shoes? I want some
You don't
shoes.
get shoes.
I'm cooking
Aw.
stuff right now, so I'm gonna get shoes.
Okay, Liam, let's go break some. Let's go break some wood.
I'm the miner.
Achievement unlocked.
Acquire hardware.
Hey,
So we can chase Dad.
hello? That is such a lie! Stop! She didn't. No! No, no! We did them! We started them! Yes, we did! They were not clean! We unloaded the dishwasher
What
and
happened
loaded
today?
it! Why didn't. Oh my god!